Hi, my name is Charlotte. I'm from France, and I've done 3 WordCamps so far. I'm 22 right now, but the first WordCamp I did was when I was 18. I went in the summer, in July, first in Czech Republic. I was an English teacher for kids in a beekeeping association. And then in the month of August, I went to Spain, in Lozoya, in the north of Madrid, and I went for an environmental program, and it was very physical work. And then last summer, I went to Croatia, and I was working with kids for a town hall, and we were taking care of kids 4 hours a day, doing sports, English class, French class, arts, lots of different things with these kids. Yeah, I could talk about it for hours. The thing I value the most is that when you go to WordCamps, you bring your knowledge, your energy, your smile to the community, but what you get it's much more than what you give, at least for me. Like what I take from my WordCamps, coming from the community, but also from the group, from the people I meet, it's so much. It's relationships, it's knowledge, it's open-minded things that I've learned in these WordCamps that I could have not learned anywhere else. Totally, like 100%, 1000%, I would encourage people to do it. I've done it myself without any friend from mine who would have done it before. I found this on internet, basically, not even in an organization, TV. I found it myself because I wanted to travel, but travel in another way. I wanted to travel by helping the community where I would go. I didn't want to go to big cities. I wanted to do it in the countryside. And I think if you are looking for this type of sharing kind of travel, but it's not like the travel word we usually have, like to go on vacations, you know? It's to really help and get so much more than your help. And for me, if you're looking for something like this, you will enjoy it.